one of them. Oh, Jesus, that's one of them. Again, not for the sound. I know how that feels on my nails. It makes me want to rip my nails out and throw them into the sun. I fucking hate that. I don't know what that reaction is. I even posited the question to people to try and go for a search, and I found something from Hank Green on the SciShow. Somebody mentioned it on Tumblr to me, and I watched that, but that was more like screechy sounds because it sounded kind of like animals or people in distress or something, and it made like a psychological factor, but it didn't really answer the question of this. Why this one drives me insane. I should have put a fucking disclaimer at the start of this video. No, that's like the chalkboard one. Again, you can feel your nails actually doing it. Oh, it's really bad.